1/3 of a person's life is spent in bed. People shed millions of skin cells every night, which are breeding grounds for bacteria and mites. Introducing Zfro, a UV cleaning robot especially designed for the clean of bedding. Its turbo UV rays efficiently remove germs in a much wider range. Zfro comes with 3 modes of disinfection. Oversheet. Disinfect the sheets while navigate through the bed. Undersheet. Shine UV light from top and bottom to sanitize both the blanket and the sheet. Dust off vibration. Vibrate to force out and vacuum the deeply hidden dust. Zfro's smart AI sensors make it never stuck in bed or fall down from it. After powering on, it is automatic and intelligent and allows you to do your own business while sanitizing and disinfecting your bed sheets. The easy-to-remove dustbin makes it a breeze to clean. Apart from bed sheets, Zfro can also sanitize your clothes, rugs, towels, and sofa. Zfro also acts as a power bank to provide extra charges to your electronic devices. Zfro, for a healthier, easier life at home or on the go.